Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I am your host, and welcome to my kitchen. I can't believe it's already the last Monday of January, which means that it's the last episode in our comfort meal series, and I thought, what better way than to leave you guys with a sweet treat. So today we'll be making a mixed berry crumble. We don't have that much prepping to do, honestly, so let's just get right into it. Okay, let me go over everything that you guys are going to need. First are the mixed berries. It has blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. You need some butter, an orange, and a lemon. You'll also need cornstarch. You're also gonna need some flour, some sugar. These are optional. I'm gonna go in with hemp hearts. You could use chia seeds, any type of seeds you want if you wanted that extra fiber and protein. And you're gonna need some oatmeal. I am using the rolled oats, but I've seen other people use quick oats as well. I don't really think it matters, so I'm just gonna use rolled oats. Cinnamon and vanilla. Let's start with our berries and making our crust for the top. All right, you guys, we're going to start with our berry mixture. I think I'm going to use about a bag and a half of the 1 pound mixed berry bag. So I'm going to go with this first bag. I actually don't think I'm going to need that other bag because I feel like this is pretty full. So we're just going to go in with just 1 bag of the 1 pound berry medley mix. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup of flour. We're going to add in a 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also going to do a tablespoon of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. I actually ran out of brown sugar, so we're just going to use white sugar today. And now we're going to do a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then the juice of 1 lemon. Let's grab a spoon and give that a good stir. And you want to really make sure that you're mixing it together and getting all the berries coated in the flour and sugar, cornstarch. And once you feel like all the berries are covered, we're going to move it to the side and we're going to start on the crust. Okay, now we're going to get started on the crumble or crust. We're going to do 1.5 cups of rolled oats. And we're also going to do 1 cup of flour. Now we are going to do 1 cup of sugar. And then we're just going to sprinkle in some cinnamon. We're going to add our hemp hearts as well. We're going to add in 1 stick of butter. I pre-cut up my butter so that it's just a little easier to mix in. So we're just going to add that. Okay, then you can use a spoon. I'm just going to go in with my hands and make sure that everything's incorporated very nicely. Okay, now let's add our crumble topping to our berries. And you want to just add as much as you want, pack it in there because the berries will reduce. So we want to make sure that we cover everything. I'm making a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. And then I already had my oven preheating for 375, so I'm going to pop this in there and let this cook for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then we will be back to try it. Alright, you guys, our dessert is finally ready, so let's cut into it. I also have some French vanilla ice cream. Okay. I also have some French vanilla ice cream that I will be putting on top. Hudsonville ice cream. I do not eat ice cream. I'm not an ice cream girl, but this French vanilla and also the vanilla bean I love so much. So I'm going to put this on top of our crumble. Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna add a little bit of a zest of an orange on top. So your plate should look something like this once you have plated it.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Now we can try it. I'm so excited. This looks so good and so filling. Let's give it a try. You guys, this is so refreshing. It's sweet, but not too sweet. The zest of the orange definitely adds that like refreshing flavor and taste to it. Overall, this is so good. The berries are packed with antioxidants. Your toppings has hemp seeds. It also has oatmeal. If you wanted to make this for breakfast, I'm pretty sure you could get away with it, minus the ice cream, but it's filled with protein, fibers, and antioxidants, so I would definitely recommend making this. This is really good and it's very warm. It's very comforting and the best way to end our comfort meals series. Thank you guys for joining me for another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I'm so sad that today is our last episode of comfort meals, but I am looking forward to next month where I will be bringing you guys desserts and also dishes that you can make for your significant other, yourself, your mom, your dad, whoever you're deciding to spend Valentine's Day with. I hope you guys stay tuned next month because we have way more recipes to bring you guys. But again, thank you for joining me and I will see you in the next video. Bye.